So welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about intra-VLAN routing testing, telnet testing, and the output of VTP. Okay. First, we'll go for inter-VLAN routing. So inter-VLAN routing means routing or routing the packet from a PC in one VLAN to another VLAN. Say VLAN 10 PC ping to VLAN 20, or VLAN 10 PC ping to VLAN 30, like that. Okay. So we'll open this VLAN 10 PC. Before that, I want to check the IP address of VLAN 20. This user to 192.168.12.66. Okay, so I'll open this PC now. Open the PC. Go to command prompt. PING 192.168.12.66. It's pinging. Reply coming from means four times will come. It is pinging. Okay, reply from which machine? This ho user to VLAN 20. Then how many bytes, what's the time taken, then the time to leave for the packet. Okay, so interval routing is done. If you want to see the sub interface configuration of this router, to see the interval now, so I don't remember the password, so I'm bypassing the passwords. But you should not do, you should do the password properly, then only you have to go to the proper mode. Okay, I just bypass because to make it fast. Okay, so now to see the in the that sub interface configuration in router, no, you can use the command show ip int br, show ip interface brief. You can see 0.10 I configured 12.1, 0.20 192.160 30 this one, 40 this one. Okay, now this one done. Now I'm going to telnet to this switch. Telnet means remote access. Okay, so I'm sitting from this machine, I want to access the switch, I want to do some configuration, I want to see some details of the switch, means I can remotely access. That is telnet. Another one, remote access, is SSH. That is secure telnet, secure way of remote access, that we'll discuss after some time. Okay, now we'll go for telnet. Telnet we already configured. You remember that line BTY 0 to 15 password. Okay, so R123 already done. Okay, enable secret also I have done. Cisco 123. Okay, so I'll go to telnet from this switch from HO user 1 VLAN 10. Okay, so what is the IP address of, we have to telnet to the switch is the management IP. The management IP for the switch is 192.168.12.162. Okay, the VLAN 40. So telnet 192.168.12.162. Okay, so telnet access, if it's configured, the password will be asked. Okay, so I think it is sohar 123. Okay, now enable secret, I think Cisco 123 password. Yes, now you want to see the configuration of switch, you can see from this computer I am checking the configuration of switch. If you want to do some configuration also, see the prompt is switch. Okay, you are in head office user 1 VLAN 10 PC, but through telnet you can access the switch, you can do the configuration, you can show the configuration, everything is done. Okay, so telnet is done, testing done. Then what about the VTP? Okay, so VTP I told you, VLAN trunking protocol. So in that, one switch will be configured as VTP server, remaining all switches will be VTP clients. And so in this case, this is the VTP server. How do we see that? Go to the switch. I just password is Cisco 123, I guess. Yes, show VTP status. Okay, when you try this command, you can see the version is one, domain name of all switches sohar.com, they should be in same domain sohar.com. Then VTP mode is server, this server, there we can only create VLANs only in this switch. Maximum VLANs up to 255, but here we have existing 9. Mr. How come 9? We only created 10, 20, 30, 40, but how we got 5 extra? So that 5 extra, by default we have some VLANs like VLAN 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Whenever you add a switch, there are 5 default VLANs. So that 5 plus already created 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, we got 9. Okay, I'll show you that what is the command to check the VLANs. Okay, show VLAN brief or BR. You can see 1, then 10, 20, 30 we created. Remaining 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. These are by default. So total 9 will come. Then what is this configuration revision, mister? This actually is 0 initially. Whenever you start creating VLAN or deleting VLAN, this numbers will increase. See, I'm going to create a new VLAN for you just for testing. Okay, configure T, VLAN say 77, name say testing. When I do this, then I'll go and check the VTP status. You can see the configuration division increase now. I'll go back and delete that one. Still, it will increase. Okay, see, no VLAN 77. That's how you delete the VLAN. Okay, show VTP status. Now it's 14. Now, can you create a VLAN in this client switches? Okay, this is only server. This is client, right? So I'll go here and check that VTP status. Show VTP status. See, this is client. So we cannot create VLAN, but whatever you create here, it will be sent to the other switches. Okay, client switches. Now I'm going to create a VLAN. Let's see, can I, is it possible or not? Okay, VLAN 77. See, VLAN configuration not allowed when device is in client mode, so this is not done. Okay, so we cannot create it. So that is VTP VLAN interVLAN routing. Okay, that's what this video is about. We just discussed about how do we test the interval and routing. I told you from one PC ping to PC in another VLAN. Reply is coming back means we are connected. Interval and routing is done. Telnet testing. Telnet from your PC to any switch. Even you can do router also, but I tried switch. Okay, what IP you will try? The management IP, the VLAN 40 IP of the switch. Passwords also given. You can even configure the switch from the computer, or you can just see the configuration, right? VTP, VLAN trunking protocol, I told you one switch will be VTP server, there only we can create VLAN. Other switches will be VTP client, there we cannot create VLAN, just we can get all informations. Okay, that's what in this video I was supposed to discuss. Okay, interval and routing, telnet testing, and which one, VTP and VLANs. Okay, so see you in the next video.